Yeah, I can see my food. She's so sweet. What's up fam? Hope you're all doing fine. Hope you're all doing okay, right? Anyway guys, I go by the name Smallvannyg. Those who are watching me for the first time, consider liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting. And thank you guys for the 449 subscribers. Mtutu mmoja to go get for 50, then 50 more people will hit our target of 500 subscribers, right guys? Tuko karibu kufika hapo. Tell a friend to tell a friend. So guys, don't mind the way I look today. And you see, it's night. I'm shooting this video at night actually. And so guys, I want to really apologize. Kindly guys, forgive me, like literally forgive me. I've been having a lot of things that I was supposed to do. You know, life is life, okay? So don't judge me of how my life has been. Now, sometimes you just have to take a small break from everything, right guys? But right now I'm back, and thank you so much for those who have been asking me, Vanny, we need a video, Vanny, we need a video, Vanny, we need a video. Finally guys, today I'm going to give you a video that you have been asking, and hopefully we are going to do more and more videos, right? I will force myself to be consistent, okay? I'll just try my best to be consistent, and then yeah. So guys, and just to brief you a little bit, I want to do a mass content, like content after content. So if you think of an idea, kindly comment down there below. Tell me what you think, what I can do, what you want me to do, what you see Smallvannyg does best, okay? So to cut the whole story short, let me go direct to the video. And so guys, let me tell you, this video I'm doing it purposefully because of a craving. Ushakuwa na craving ya kitu, like have you ever had a craving of something guys? Akiacha niwaambie, like yesterday night I just had this craving, and bado niko now inanisumbua guys. I'm craving for githeri. Yeah, I'm craving for githeri. So guys, we're going to do githeri with me. Yeah, we are going to do githeri. I bought this. Sikubai mingi kwa sababu I'm just like, it's just a craving. I bought this githeri. Potatoes. Nimesha chop. Is it chopping or doing what? I've already done that. So I'm going to show you everything. But what we're doing, we want to change this githeri into a sweet githeri. Okay guys? I'm not so much into ingredients, so I'm just going to do something simple but something sweet. Okay guys? Yeah. Nilikosa roiko. I really wanted to give the roiko roiko kio, but unfortunately nilikosa, and I was too lazy to go around looking for it. Kwenye niliuliza nikakosa, and that was it. So are you ready to cook with me? So guys, welcome to my kitchen. Okay, so let us do this together and let's see. So guys, tunaanza na nini? I guess because of it's called what? Because of hapa juu hamtaona, si ndio? So you're not going to see. So what I'm going to do guys, I just want to be real with you, okay? Si mnajua hii mambo. Najua. So I'm going to take my gas down. Yeah, because I'm just it's heavy. Okay guys, sinanga nguvu. I'm just sitaambia keji zangu. Mimi na gas nikatujachana sana. I guess even this gas is heavier than me. Hey, no, it's not. I'm heavier than this gas. Siko 8.5 kg. 8.5. Yeah, I'm 5 times it, so it's not bad. Alright? So guys, In short, twende tukapike, tupike. So I'm just going to like slant, and I'm going to take you step by step. Tuone venye tutapika until we serve, okay? Yeah, so let's do this. Okay, I'm doing a 1 meal person yangu tu peke yangu, so let's do this, okay guys? So guys, hapo ndio tumeamua kuset. So there is our gas, and then tuwashe, then let me look for kiberiti. Natumia tu kiberiti. I'm doing a very simple thing, guys. Okay, so let's do this, okay? Normally, so this is my onion. I haven't chopped, so I'm going to chop right now. Yani nafanya tu mambo kienyeji. Sometimes I just love doing things like that because hivyo tu. Sasa ni mnafanyanga hivyo, so nobody should judge me. But sometimes if I'm doing like a major meal, iko na mambo mingi, that's how I go to like details. Nakatia kando and everything. But for now guys, tunafanya tu hivi, si ndio? For the first. Kwa watu wanasemanga sijui kupika. Hey, come watch this. Those who say I don't know how to cook, come watch this. Oh. So guys, I'm doing like this. This is a formula. I'm just going to cut them like that. And guys, let me tell you, if there is something I love onions in my food. Mimi napenda kitunguu. Like hedo nipe food iko na kitunguu mingi than iko na nyanya. Me, I don't like a lot of nyanya in my food. Sipendi. I don't know, I just feel too much of nyanya upotezea mtu taste ya food. So guys, this is what we are doing. So, mtu asiniblame venye nimekata kitunguu. I'm doing it kienyeji. In the most kienyeji way I know, guys, okay? So, like that. Guys, that's the going, yes. So, hivyo, me I love when ikinini hivyo peke yake kwanza. So we can see guys, it's inaiva, right? Yote nyinyi si mnaona? So, when we are doing like that, we now prepare the nyanya, then tunaweka ndani. Just kidogo tu, then it is going to be fine. So, yung kitunguu inaiva that way. So, you already seen. So, I want to prepare the nyanya nilikuwa nishakata. Nilikuwa nishaosha like maybe hapa. Just removing them from water. Si mnaona bado ziko na maji. Msiseme si safi. Then I'm going to use this thing over here to just kukata and stuff. So guys, if you're watching this video, you tell me unafikiria aje and what do you think we should come up with, okay? Idea yako ndio inanisaidia pia, and I'm just trying what I can do. Yes, so I know. Now see judge. Nobody should judge me on this video. Nobody should tell me, Vanny, hiya. Just let me be. I'm just giving you my chronicles, okay? I'm just giving you my what? My chronicles. So, let me please. It's another majority to put our life. nimeweka nyanya. And then so I'm sorry guys about that. So this is the progress. And nimeweka nyanya. This is nyanya na waru, my waru there. Now I want us to wash this githeri because we are not sure about it, so let's wash. Guys, just to be on the safe side, let's wash this one, okay? Because maybe let's wash. Let's so guys, okay. I guess it's now good to cook, okay? Back to my prayer guys, yeah. Easy as I see. Kidogo tu. Kidogo tu. So we add. They boil together now. And yeah. So imagine juu ya nini. I just added water because of the waru. Zive pamoja. Well, the salt is good for me. Wait, speaking my chakula hapa. No, we not doing that here. So guys, there it goes. Tungoje iive. Inakaa delicious. Yeah, it looks delicious for me. So let me show you how it looks like. Guys, that's how it looks like. Unaona? Inakaa vizuri. Looks nice. Sikutaka waru mingi. Nilikuwa na waru but sikutaka waru mingi. I guess that's enough. So that's how it looks like. Let it boil, alafu maji pungue. Yeah, and everything. Because me, I don't want the soup. Staki soup, mimi. So it's just for those warus and everything. So guys, I've already shown you. That is the small video that I was making for you. So situpatane tukiserve ama ni aje? But I really feel niliweka waru kidogo. I just chopped 3. Only 3. But it's fine. Oh, na tuko na pilipili. I had forgotten. Oh my goodness. I forgotten niko na pilipili. Hey! Pilipili na sila. Ningeka before nini? Nikikanga but I forgot. But either way we are going to add avocado. Yes, pilipili for taste because hatuna roiko, you remember? You don't have the roiko, so pilipili might work on my paper. Yes, it's all about me. Yeah, it's not about someone else, guys. Tell me how you cook your githeri outside there. Share with me your ideas. Unapenda githeri? Me love githeri. It used to be my favorite back in high school actually. So guys, after that we return to kitu kwenye nafaa. So yes guys, I'm just trying to put it here. The mess that nimekosa hapa kidogo. I wish I could show you, but sasa inakataa. ati unakataa kuwa demu yangu, waenda kunifunga kuroga, unakufa, unakuja kwa mazishi yangu. Ilikuwa inaitwaje? Either way, the way it was sung, hivyo tu. Akinanukia vizuri. It smells nice. No, unaona sijaweka madoido mingi. I'm not... Okay, I said it's depending sana, lakini sometimes I just don't like. I just wanted something simple, something natural. GITHERI does love. Yeah. I'm just here for the sake of this one. If you are different social media, no best stress. Either way, my video is about to slap. It's about to slap. I wish you can all taste it, but it's hard. Guys, catch me when I'm going to serve, okay? So I'll show you how I'm going to serve. Right? Out of 10, let me itakuwa ni sawa. So for now, it's a bye. Sorry for that. Catch me when we serve our food. Love you guys. Bye. Yeah, this is my food. I need to so sweet.